al-Jalami. The audience, as you all know that food is very important for our lives. We get energy from it and become able to do work.
خواتین اسلام کی مشہور دینی و عصری درسگاہ المعھدالاسلامی للبنات رائے بازار ضلع سیتامڑھی بہار میں دوسرا سالانہ عظیم الشان پروگرام منعقد کیا گیا، جن میں المعہد کی طالبات نے بڑے اچھے انداز میں حالات حاضرہ پر بہترین پروگرام پیش کیے۔
PD Islamic Media, an Islamic YouTube channel.
Peace be upon him said, "At-tahur shatrul iman." Cleanliness of mind is very important for our life and health, as the beloved Prophet said, "As-siwak shifaa min kulli da'in illa as-sam, was-sam al-maut." The siwak is a cure for every disease except the sam, and the sam is the death. Noted by al-Jalami. The audience, as you all know that food is very important for our lives. We get energy from it and become able to do work. When we chew our food, a few pieces of food got stuck in our teeth. If the pieces are not gnawed out from the teeth, they start to rot and cause many diseases. Our mouths start to smell and people do not like to face us. Therefore, everybody should take special care of their teeth. Following are some ways to keep your teeth clean. Brush, use miswak your teeth 5 times before wudu, as well as once when you wake up and when you are about to sleep. You should clean your teeth. You should clean your teeth after every meal by tooth or urines. Use soft and good quality of brush. Never pierce it with need for these toothpicks, and neat toothpick can be used. Clean your teeth quickly after eating sweets. Never break any hard thing by teeth and don't open a bottle lid. Dear listeners, due to shortage of time, I am going to interrupt my talk here and thanks to listen me. Jazakallahu khairan. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
इस तरह की इस्लामिक वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे पीडी इस्लामिक मीडिया चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। आपका अपना दोस्त कलामुद्दीन, सीतामढ़ी, बिहार।